I've no idea how you're supposed to pronounce that. I don't think the people who own their products do either. Same as people who pronounce the E on Porsche. What's wrong with you? Why can't you just say Porsche? Why do you have to go like Porsche? No mate, not Porsche. Porsche. The sh sound. It's a sh. You know, for people in like the service industry, right? I.e. waiters and the like. Do you know when someone comes into the restaurant and pronounces something with the accent, instead of going, oh, can I have lasagna, can they go, can I have some? Do you go, oh wow, look at them? Or do you go, shut up, pricks? So I got the feeling that even if I was of the nationality of the dish that they're ordering, I'd still feel like, oh, just fucking order it, mate. You're not impressed anyone. You have impressed no one with your language skills. Danger cam, dangerous camera, danger cam. Let's just undertake you, prick. What's going on? What's going on? It's just slow. He's just slow. Let's take a different way home. Let's go. I've never done this the reverse way in the daytime. I've only ever done this in the dark. Oh, run in the dark. Got a power cut at the hospital. Funny me. Yeah, so this will be a fun little game of can I remember where to go in the light times, in the wrong direction. Not the correct direction. The direction that takes me home. Take me home, country roads. I was supposed to not sing, wasn't I? I was supposed to stop doing that because it's offending people. Oh, easy tiger. Easy tiger. Jumping the old gunnage. Being a little creepy creeper. And then he's slow off the mark anyway. I'll just keep going straight. I'll keep going straight. It says Southport on the left, but I don't want to go that way. I want to go the straight way. Dominance. Call this the big margin dominance energy. Bow. Yeah, as I was saying, don't just hate people who speak other languages. Can't fucking stand them, mate. Can't stand them. Just speak English. I've got no idea why you want to speak any other language. Like everyone who's anybody speaks the correct English. I mean, if you want to have some little individuality, just pick an accent. Just don't pick Scouse, because then you sound like you're mentally deficient. Take me home, country roads, to the place that I've got the words. Something Virginia, don't be a virgin. I get toggle bashed like a bastard. I whip my hair back and forth, Right, is it straight at this one still? I don't want to go to Formby. Only thieves and degenerates go to Formby. And drug dealers who think they've made it big. At least that's the impression I get anyway. Results may vary. Results may result in variance. Oh, I've got to stop whistling. Whistling on a motovlog. Height of arrogance, that is. Height of arrogance. I think whistling in public in general, whistling in earshot of another human is offensive, really. Is it 30? We just don't know. We still don't know. We're going another way, but we still don't know. It's 40. Ah, I can see the sign. I still have the sign. And oh, sorry, I wasn't supposed to sing. Well, I'm supposed to stop doing that. Doggy. Oh, double doggy. I just can't help it. I can't help it. When I'm in a good mood, / full of sugar and caffeine, I make little sing-songs. When I'm in a bad mood, I kick cyclists off the bike who are just trying to get home. God, imagine if road rash was like a real thing that you could do for points. Target-rich environment. I shouldn't say those kind of things. I think references to pointy-clicky-bang-bang machines are likely to get you a slap on the wrist. The Langoliers won't just gobble up your comments, they'll gobble up your whole channel. Giraffe? I wonder how many people are like, I like my garden, but you know what, I need a massive metal giraffe. I think that'll just set it off just nicely. That'll do the job, that will. Big old metal giraffe. My camera's still in position. That's good, that's good. I wonder if I pressed record. I think I did. I think so. I hope so. Can I tell? Oh, you've got little red bleepy lights on it. Recording away! Recording away! I feel like an absolute prick standing next to the bike, screwing on me Insta360 while everyone's just trying to get home. like, no, excuse me, put my camera on, get my camera ready, I'm trying to make some content, because I don't have friends, I'll make some on the internet, some electronic friends. Electronic friends sounds better anyway, sounds better. Give you the nod, mate, on your little... Oh, look at this. I see red lights. We don't fucking like red lights round here, son. Oh, sorry, whistling again. It's because technically, it's only me. It's only me in the helmet, so the whistle factor is okay. But it also means that, well, I kind of have to use the footage because I'm explaining it. If I wasn't explaining it, I wouldn't have to use it. I could not explain it. But, oh god, prime content, don't you fucking dare, mate. I saw you. You were thinking about it. That guy behind me, his light is awful. I mean, I can see the light, but I'm assuming that's like dipped. Shut up, doggy. Feed you to my doggies. One of them did not want to get out of bed at the weekend. He just did not want to move off the bed. Livid he was. Growling and barking and spitting and teeth. I literally just picked him up in the end and then dumped him out the bedroom. I fucking Fred Flintstone Dino'd him out the room. Cheeky bastard barking at me. What are you doing? Did he? I bet he flashed, didn't he? I bet he flashed. Oh, flashes. Is there ever a good reason for flashing? No, there isn't. In any sense of the word. I can't see what's behind you, doo-da, doo-da. I can't see what's behind you, doo-da-doo-da-dee. It is quite busy, isn't it? I mean, I don't know what time it is because I haven't been bothered to set my clock again still. I wonder how long that's going to take me to do it. I mean, first of all, I have to Google how, and then I have to come out to the bike and do it. And considering that those two circumstances will never happen in conjunction with each other, it essentially means that the clocks are going to be wrong for the rest of its life. I can have that as a running joke on the channel. Like, I realise Kia is not like an English-speaking brand, but did no one tell them that the word seed means spunk? I mean, I know these tried to like spell it funky. They put a C, but it's the Kia Spunk. And calling it the X Spunk doesn't make it any more of a less of a jizz-based car. I mean, what's next? The Kia Sportage A Spunk Bucket, the Jaguar Man Milk. To be fair, the way they're going, maybe that's a distinct possibility. Although they'd have to define the genders first, which might be tricky. And in all honesty, the whole like gender ideology, right? I don't really give a shit. Truth be told, I couldn't give a fuck what you want to do with your bits. As long as you're an adult when you make that decision, do not care. But it's a bit like religion for me, where like, I may not believe in I probably don't believe in your religion, let's put it that way, but that doesn't mean I'm not going to treat you like a human being. There are coffee heathens that add milk or cream instead of manly men like myself that just raw dog it black. Hang on, that sounds bad, doesn't it? That sounds sexual somehow. Yeah, we'll just leave it at that. We'll just leave it there, shall we? Yeah.